crunchiness from pecan.
Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. If you are new here, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show how I put a flavorful twist on this fried dough, the traditional fried dough that I usually make. We make it in Botswana. I love doing it. A lot of people love it. This time I put a twist to it by adding some crunchy pecans and some sweet bananas. This pecan banana bread, this pecan banana fried dough is the perfect combination of all flavors and textures. Crispy on the outside, soft and sweet on the inside. I'll walk you through each step of this process, sharing tips of getting that perfect golden crust, ensuring that bananas and pecans shine through. Whether you are saving it up for dessert or a tasty snack, this recipe is sure to impress. You can really eat it at any time. Let's get to it. Before that, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and remember subscription is free. It's not like getting membership. Membership you pay for it, but subscribe is free. So let's watch how I made this pecan banana fried dough.
Get that. Double and triple.